ثلة من الأولين. Many from the first generations. وقليل من الآخرين. And a few from the later ones. على سرر موضونة. They will be sitting on thrones, women with gold. متكئين عليها متقابلين. Reclining on them, facing each other. يطوف عليهم بلدان مخلدون. Immortal boys will rotate around them. بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين. With bowls and jugs. And a goblet of pure wine. لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون. From which they will neither suffer headache, nor will they be intoxicated. وفاكهة مما يتخيرون. And with fruits that they choose. ولحم طير مما يشتهون. And the flesh of birds that they desire. وحور عين. And for them there will be hur, having lovely big eyes. كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون. All neat and clean like a hidden pearl. جزاء بما كانوا يعملون. As a reward for what they used to do.